the job that will rule the world in 2035. The shift begins. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the world no longer values what you've spent your whole life learning. The accountant, the factory worker, the customer service representative, all replaced, not by people, but by something silent, invisible, and relentless. It's not science fiction. It's already happening. A shift is unfolding, so quietly that most of the world hasn't even noticed. But for those who see it early, opportunity is exploding. This video is your warning and your invitation to understand the job that will soon rule the world. The death of old jobs. In the next 10 years, nearly 800 million jobs may disappear. That's 1 out of every 5 jobs on the planet. Why? One word: intelligence. Artificial intelligence. AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't get tired. It learns faster than any human alive. And now it can write, design, calculate, draw, even reason. From lawyers to translators, from receptionists to analysts, every desk job is under threat. But where something dies, something else is born. The rise of the new elite. A new kind of elite is forming, not based on wealth, not based on status, based on understanding. Those who know how to speak to machines, not just use them, are leading the next revolution. They're called prompt engineers. They don't build the AI, they shape it. They don't need a degree, they need imagination. They know how to guide ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, and other systems to produce exactly what they want. They are the translators between human thought and machine intelligence. And companies are paying them more than doctors. What does a prompt engineer actually do? Prompt engineers craft words like an artist uses color. Each phrase, each sentence is a tool to unlock hidden potential inside AI. Example: a single sentence can generate a 10-page business plan or design a luxury clothing brand's entire marketing strategy. They learn how AI thinks, and they learn how to think better than AI. The best prompt engineers don't memorize. They experiment. They fail fast, learn fast, and teach the AI how to teach them. This is not about coding. It's about creativity, how to become one, starting today. You don't need a computer science degree. You need curiosity. Start with free tools: ChatGPT, Notion AI, Poe. Watch how others prompt, then twist it your own way. Go to prompthero.com or flowgpt.com and explore. Steal like an artist, build like a strategist. Practice creating stories, logos, marketing ideas, videos, lessons. The more you explore, the more powerful your prompts become. In a world of infinite content, the one who controls the input controls the outcome. The final shift: wake up before the world. Most people won't believe this until they're replaced. But you're still early. You're still ahead. The hidden shift isn't just about jobs, it's about power, control, identity. You can be part of the few who shape the future, or the many who are shaped by it. This isn't just a video, it's a doorway. The world is rewriting itself, prompt by prompt, line by line. And you get to write first. Subscribe, watch closely. The hidden shift has already begun.